This is what heaven looks like. Balabac Islands are surely one of the most beautiful places in the Philippines. It's considered as the westernmost point of the country, and it's super close to Sabah, Malaysia. Surprisingly, the budget for this trip was not super high, and I'll tell you 6 ways how we financially prepared for this trip. Number 1, join the Joiners Tour. Me and my friend joined the group tour, and it was so sulit kasi divided among all of us yung gasto sa boat, food, accommodation, etc. Number 2, save money in installment. Itong Joiner Tour na to, we got payment plans na total fee was divided into 4 installments, if I remember correctly. Para ka nag-ipon unti-unti and consistently, watch till the end for the breakdown. Number 3, pasalubong is not required. Don't spend so much on it. And number 4, you have to avoid tourist trap food establishment. Although karamihan sa Balabac home cook talaga, most tourist traps are in the city naman. And you can see the place where we had our meals sa barangay proper. Itong bahay na to, it's a house on stilt. And ayan yung likod nila. Diyan din kami naghintay nung boat para makapag-island hopping kami nung araw na yan. 5th tip, avoid over baggage. Medyo mahal siya, lalo na kapag kinilo na yung gamit mo sa airport. So ito, magdala ka dry bag or backpack. Ayan. And number 6, make sure that you have an active insurance plan in place para whatever happens to you, you know that there's money waiting to cover for your expenses. Super helpful nito as you get extra peace of mind and you can totally enjoy your vacation nang wala nang iniisip. All in all, itong trip namin ay 4 days, 3 night package from Burnation. Yun yung Joiners Tour na nasalihan namin. Itong 4 days, 3 nights package, ito na yung mga nagastos. I'll show it later on. And sulit na rin because wala na kaming cash out na malaki during the Balabac tour proper. As in, ang gastos lang namin yung pasalubong or kung gusto namin gumala at night, yung tricycle, etc. Yan. So, as you could see, ito yung usapan namin with Burnation. Installment talaga siya. And ito yung total expenses na nagasto. 17,300 plus other expenses. So, watch out for our next video for the places we visited in Balabac. Thank you!